In this video, I'll detail how you can fix not receiving text notifications on iPhone. So if you discover that your iPhone suddenly stopped sending text notifications, or you stop seeing the iPhone text alert on your iPhone screen, whether on the lock screen or you stop seeing the message preview, then this video is going to show you how you can easily fix not receiving text notification on iPhone. So if at the end of this video you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do here when you're trying to fix not receiving text notifications on your iPhone is go to your iPhone settings. Then this depends on the operating system that you are using. If you are using iOS 17 series or beneath, just scroll down and click on the Messages app. So this is going to open the iMessage app as well. Now for iOS 18, just need to scroll down and then select Apps. Once you selected Apps, just need to scroll down and search for the Messages app. Just keep scrolling. Now click on Messages. Once you selected that, under the Messages configuration, you should have access to all this. Now locate notifications under Allow Messages to Access and click on that. Now if your notifications is turned off just like this, you should not be able to receive text notifications on your iPhone. But if this is turned on, then you'll be able to receive text notification, but you need to play around the alert notification or how the text notifications appear on your iPhone. Now, to configure how text notifications appear on your iPhone, all you just need to do is come down to alert and check where you want to show the text notification, whether you want to show your text notification on lock screen, control center, or on banners. So to show it on lock screen, control center, on banners, just go ahead and check all this. So once you check on lock screen, this is going to show your text notifications on your iPhone lock screen whenever your screen is locked. And if you click on notification center, then you just need to swipe down from the top left to reveal your notifications, just like you can see here. So similarly, the same thing applicable to banner. So you're gonna see it just beneath the dynamic island on your iPhone. Now, so always show your iPhone text notifications, you just need to scroll down and then come down to lock screen appearance, then click on that. Once you selected that, you have three options available here. And on the first option you see, you never want to show your text notifications on lock screen, then select never. If you only want to show text notification when your iPhone is unlocked, then in this case, your iPhone text notifications will only be visible when you see the iPhone screen unlocked. But if you choose always, whether you lock or unlock your iPhone, you should see the text notifications on the screen. So once all this is set, just hit the back button, and then that is all you need to do. Then you can now close the messages settings page. So when next you have a text message on your iPhone, whether your phone screen is locked or unlocked, then you should start receiving the text notifications on your device. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.